Hi guys, this is Dr. Shruti and you welcome to this channel wherein we talk all about YouTube growth tips, business and mindset. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 viral YouTube video ideas for Valentine's Day 2021. So are you ready? We'll be covering 3 things mainly in this video. Namely, number 1 is why should you even bother making a video for Valentine's Day or specifically around this time. Number 2 will be how will that particular video help you gain more views and more subscribers. Number 3 will be coming up with 10 video ideas that will save you a lot of headache and time, and we will cover in detail about what is the search volume for that particular topic and how well that topic has done previously and what is the potential of that topic in the future. So let's dive right into it. Coming on to the first point, why should you even make a YouTube video for Valentine's Day? You might totally say that I'm not even a lifestyle YouTuber or I'm not a vlogging channel that I need to make videos on Valentine's Day, but trust me, you really need to make video on Valentine's Day, or for that matter any holiday seasons or any special events. Actually, whatever your niche is, these are the best times for any YouTube channel to grow on YouTube and blow up on YouTube, because at these particular times or events like Christmas, like New Year, like Valentine's Day and all these things, even Halloween, Diwali, these are the times when actually everyone is trying to search how to videos like how to buy gifts or how to create presents or how to do goal setting and etc etc. So you get my point. This particular time of the year, whenever we have specific events, is the best time to upload any videos that are relevant to that particular event, because that becomes the trending topics obviously, and also the YouTube search engine and algorithm pushes it out madly. Trust me, it's like more people are creating more content about the same things and YouTube also pushing out, then it creates that magical space where your video has the highest chances to blow up. Now you might ask, like, what if my channel is not at all related to Valentine's Day, or what if my channel is an educational channel, or what if my channel is like core professional advice channel? In that case, I suggest that you add your own twist or your own unique style and layer to that particular topic, and then you can make a video around that topic. Like for example, in this particular case, on this channel, usually we talk about growth tips and business and mindset. None of them really come in the category of Valentine's Day per se, but I added my little twist in it and I made it like video ideas for YouTube creators. And so I think that's how you can actually try that out and experiment with it. Also, do tell me in the comment section how you will add your twist and your unique style to Valentine's Day videos. I'll be waiting for you. Now coming over to the second thing now. Second thing is how that will help you get more subscribers and more views on your channel. There is very simple logic here. At this point of time, when there is so high demand of that particular topic, it comes into the category of trending topic, and your video gets more views and more subscribers nonetheless. Even if you put all the hard work, even if you put in all the effort, there is like very less chance of discovery than on these particular type of videos wherein they are already trending, there is already so much high demand, and there is such a high chance of you blowing up on YouTube, and that is what we want. Frankly, if you want to grow on YouTube, it is always a good idea to ride the wave of trending topics, specifically if that pertains to your channel or if that can be used in any way, shape or form to your particular niche, and that is the best way to gain more views, more subscribers and more visibility. So I think that in essence makes it very important to ride the wave of trending topics. And the best part about these events is that we know in advance that these particular things are coming. Like we know that Christmas is coming on 25th, we know that New Year is coming on 1st of January, we know that 14th Feb is Valentine's Day. So we know in advance, rather than unpredictable trending topics where we don't even know, like we don't know what is going to be viral tomorrow or what is going to trend tomorrow. So in that way we can be much better prepared and we can much better execute our video ideas. If you're still watching the video, I'm so happy, so please hit the like button and also type in the comment section unicorn. So coming on to the next thing, the third thing, which is coming up with 10 viral video ideas for Valentine's Day with details about their search volume and their demand, so that you can save time and a lot of headache that goes into searching your topics. I'm there to help you guys. So hi guys, hi from the computer screen now, and we are going to do the research here. I'm going to do the research here in front of you, and you will see what are the search results, how much is competition, and is that a good idea for your channel or not. So let's go to this Chrome extension of TubeBuddy, and we'll launch Keyword Explorer, which is a technique to know the search volume of the keywords which we are talking about. So the first keyword is, I have actually written down a probable list of ideas which I'm going to search about here. So yeah, number one thing which we are going to see is DIY gift ideas for him. So let's check that. Very good. This is a very good topic for you to make your videos, because it has a really good scoring, and the more it is on the greener side, the better it is. Also, it tells that the search volume is like really excellent and competition is fair, not that much, not less, but we have optimization strength which is again excellent. So like this video has a probability of blowing up, so you can do that. Now the number of videos in the search result is huge. It's like 34.5 million. So it's a good idea. Number one idea for viral video content on Valentine's Day is this: DIY gift ideas for him. The second is DIY gift ideas for boyfriend. So it says that it is also a good topic to think about, and we can see that it is towards this greener side. This sign here says more towards the greener side, so there is a decent amount of competition. Yes, the search volume is good, not that amazing, but the competition is also good, so you will be competing more, and the optimization strength is excellent. What is optimization strength? Actually, it is the ability of your videos to be search engine optimized, so that is the probability of your videos getting ranked higher in the search engine. And the number of videos in search results is about 7.85 million videos, and the number of monthly searches on an estimate is about 20,700. So it's an average, because these kind of videos blow up around the specific time. So this was the second idea for our video. One was DIY gift ideas for him. The second is DIY gift ideas for boyfriend. So let's check out Valentine's Day Makeup 2021. It is again a very good topic for you. So it says that it has about 60 score of 60 out of 100, and it is a really good topic for making a video. So, and also it is also lying here on green part. The keyword isn't too competitive, and it has enough search volume. Search volume is enough because it must always come during this time of the year, which is Valentine's Day only, and the competition is not that high, and optimization strength is again very good, and the number of videos in the search result is 817,000. So that's a lot of videos in the search results. So the third video idea, the first one was DIY ideas for him, the second one was DIY gift ideas for a boyfriend, the third one was the Valentine's Day makeup 2021 or makeup tutorial 2021, and the fourth one is Valentine's Day cards DIY easy, and this keyword is like really good for making videos. So you can make really good videos if you are an art and craft channel, or if you love making cards or something like that. It has a very good demand. So it has like a fair amount of competition, but the search volume is huge, and already there are like 4.36 million videos, and it has really high search volume. So you should, and competition is fair, but not like it's worth making a video about it. So the next one is Valentine's Day gift guide ideas, and it has again a very good, like it lies in the darker part of the green, which means that this is a really good topic. It says very good, 80 out of 100. So its search volume is average, good, but competition is very less here. So like you can really make a video and have a higher chance of blowing up, and optimization strength is also really good. So the number of videos in search results is about 2.77 millions. Already these many videos are there, and yeah, so this is our fifth idea. So the next one, the sixth one is Valentine's Day room decor ideas, and it is like really good, very good. It has, again, towards the greener side, it has very huge search volume, so it has an excellent search volume. The competition is fair enough. It's right here in the middle, and optimization strength is amazing. So it's again a very good idea to make a video about Valentine's Day room decor ideas. Higher chance of blowing up. So now coming over to the next. So as you can see here, there is not much competition on this keyword, so it's amazing. You should make a video about this. It says excellent, 100 out of 100, guys. This is amazing topic to make videos on. If you're related channel, definitely go for it. And if your channel is in this specific niche, you should definitely make a video on Valentine's Day date ideas at home. And this is like maximum green here. The search volume is amazing, the competition is less, optimization strength is again amazing. So we should consider this video idea. So the eighth topic is Valentine's Day gifts for him, which has again a very good search volume. It is 66 out of 100, very much in the middle of the screen. And the search volume is fair. The competition is very less, so you can do it because it is targeted. Again, it is for the 2021. And optimization strength is again really good. So the next is Valentine's Day gifts for her 2021, which is again a very good topic. It has 76 out of 100. It is lying right in the middle of the green, and search volume is fair. Competition is almost none. Optimization strength is amazing. So you should consider making a video about it. Yes. So this is again a very good idea. It is Valentine's Day gifts for friends 2021. It has excellent 99 out of 100. Amazing score here, almost dying on the highest green side here. The search volume is amazing, competition is not that much, and optimization strength is again amazing. So guys, you should definitely make a video on it. If your channel has that kind of audience, just go and make video about Valentine's Day gifts for friends 2021. So we are checking Valentine's Day love songs 2021. The next thing is this, which we can make videos about, and it is again a very good topic. It's 79 out of 100, and the search volume is good. The competition is almost nil, means very less, and optimization strength is excellent. So you should definitely make a video about this almost in the middle of the green. So yes, you should make a video on Valentine's Day love songs 2021 if you are a music channel or if you want to do something in that. So that was my 10 topics, and you can create so many more topics out of this entire list. Also, we can do the search here on YouTube itself and find what is working and what's not. So let's just put in Valentine's Day. We have Valentine's Day card, Valentine's Day song, Valentine's Day card making ideas, Valentine's Day gifts for him, Valentine's Day status, Valentine's Day drawing, Valentine's Day makeup. All these things are popular right now. That's why they are coming in the search of YouTube. So I think you get the idea how you can find different ideas, different videos to make on this Valentine's Day, and I hope this helps you guys. And now coming back to our main screen now. Also, tell me in the comment section which idea you like the best, and also what is your specific idea about making a video on Valentine's Day. So as you can see, I have done all the research using TUBEBUDDY Chrome extension, and that is absolutely free. There is free version and there is also paid version of that app, and if you want to save time in finding that extension, I'm going to give the link in the description below. Also, I'll be adding my link for extra 10% off on the annual plan, so you can use that as well. So guys, if you want to know how to start right on YouTube in 2021, I have a video about that here. So thank you guys for watching this video. I am super happy and grateful for all of your love and support, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon along with it to get more notification about more such videos on YouTube growth and business and mindset. Also hit the like like button and comment in the comment section of what did you like it or what are the topics that you want me to make videos about. And see you in the next video, guys.